Hello, this is Trudy with True and Healing Travel, and today I am in the beautiful Portofino, Italy, and I'm going to be taking you on a short walking tour to a castle and a lighthouse. And you can do it in 1 to 2 hours, and there is shade along the way. Good news. So come along and join me, and let's go see Portofino.
The best place to start the Portofino walking tour is at the main square on the harbor. Here you can see the castle and church on the hilltop that I will walk up to.
After the castle, you just turn left, and they said it's just a 10-minute walk to the lighthouse. So here we go, and I've got some nice shade, which is very much warranted right now. For lunch, and I think I found it through here. Okay, I have my eye on this. I'm gonna try it on. Well, I bought it. You know, when everyone in the store is telling you look great, you have to do it, right? No. So I got my Portofino outfit for Italy and Greece. So I always like to end my days in Italy with gelato, and it never disappoints. But if you only have a half a day or a day, I gave you a realistic way to get the most out of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and until next time, bon voyage and bon appetit.